Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can tell, I'm going to be showing you guys my pamper routine. It's nothing fancy, but these are things that really calm me down, help me relax when I feel a little stressed out, or when I've had a bad day, or when I just feel like, hey, I've got 20 minutes to myself, I don't have to answer to anybody else, and I just kind of want to, do some self-care, which is very important. So of course, I'm going to start off by making myself my favorite face mask. I just do the bentonite clay and apple cider vinegar, mix it until it's creamy, and this mask really does wonders for my skin. Of course, I'm going to light myself a candle. I feel like they are essential to me when I want to relax. I'm also going to drop some lavender and peppermint into my oil diffuser. Typically when I do this routine, I turn the lights off, so the only light in the room comes from the diffuser and the candle, and it's really relaxing. Before I apply my mask, I like to steam my face for about 5 to 7 minutes. This is also really relaxing, and it has definitely been a game changer when it comes to my skincare routine. I purchased this off of Amazon, and I will leave the link for you guys down in the description box to check it out. So while the mask is doing its thing, I like to go ahead and start my bath, and this is where the relaxation really starts. I go ahead and take care of my body, do a good body scrub, wash my body, scrub the bottom of my feet first, and then I chill. Sometimes I read a book, sometimes I just listen to music, sometimes I just sit there in the quiet and I don't think about anything. And I feel like this really helps me to just clear my mind, relax, and then I get out, wash my face, and I get ready for bed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Take care.